we are, out at dead on range. Me, Ms. B, Matt the Brat, or whatever his secret identity is by the guy, not him.
Pretty sure I got you guys.
So this is my first time and Christine's first time out here. This is what she thinks of winter. And this is her first shots with Alicia with the Huber Concepts brake on the end of it. Hey, Gunny.
Go crazy.
Yes. What do you got against winter? Headshot, gut shot. I think you just shot winter in the nuts.
Good. Now this is a bit different because this is only my second time ever shooting indoors. And I have to say, having the Huber Concept brake on there makes a very big difference.
Well, all up the center. Yeah, I'd say I think I know how you feel about winter.
Just saying.
So since this is now the second time you had a chance to shoot it with, now in their defense, the brake that came off of there was supposed to mitigate felt recoil.
Yeah.
So,
but this didn't feel anything like that. I mean, the other one you could feel a boom, a boom. This one, it was like boom, boom. In comparison.
It looks like, from watching you shoot, it looks like the pulse has been cut down like over 60% of what it was.
Yeah.
And like I said, the brake that was on there was designed to get rid of.
I love the brake on there because the way that it just disperses everything off to the side makes a big difference. Because with the other gun too, not to pick on that, or the other brake too, not to pick on that one, you did see more of the smoke kind of coming up on the top, which kind of interfered.
Well, that people that ask me about the Huber brake, that's one of the things, is because that cloud of smoke is pushed left or right.
Yep.
It won't get in your way, especially if you're a long-range shooter.
Yep.
That is could be a deal breaker.
Make sure to take that out. Okay, I only used half the rounds because I just wanted to put some through it, just to see how it was gonna work. If you want to put that back in there and then go ahead and try and see what you think too, because I want to get your opinion. But I do like this brake much better. I feel like I have more control. It's a little bit more steady, and my shooting is a little bit more better.
Wow, looks like it's a 9 club hanging out there.
Yeah.
We've got the Huber Concepts Project Alicia, my mistress. Now my mistress is with her. We have the Walther 9mm Navy Edition with a threaded barrel. We have the that one is the HK VP9. The Walther Q, the 5-inch with the optics on it. We've got her baby Eagle, and we have my daily carry, the awesome 5906.
So the number is 9.
9.
Okay, go ahead.
So if you want to send that down there,
all right, I'll send that down there. You can give her a try. See what you think. go, you're up. Said so. Clear.
That's all. And how is it that the brass is ending up at the door?
Going hot, kids.
Just wants a heads up because that I think that takes your infidelity and keeps it. There. What do you think of that?
I like that. That's very nice. I like the
The optic?
yeah. Okay. Going hot. What am I doing wrong?
Nothing.
Is the trigger hard to pull?
It's not nearly the just crispy your shoulder.
I know, right here. Hot, hot, hot.
That one and your Eagle, you might have the most control over because of the weight of the guns.
I like that there's not There's not a high amount of kickback with this one or my Eagle.
But this is honestly the worst trigger in the bunch.
It is. I can't stand the trigger on that one.
Old Smith & Wesson, eventually.
That would have to get changed out.
Eventually, I would like to send it to Jay. It'll eat.
Yes.
So what do you got there?
This is my sexy. This is my HK.
I forget. Why did you have to have that gun?
Because it was in John Wick.
It's so pretty.
And it's pretty. And it looked really good in Keanu Reeves' hands.
Uh-huh.
Okay, going hot.
At least there was a good reason.
Going hot. Okay, now it's been quite a while since I shot this, so I need to take a look. Yeah, I kind of thought I was low. I thought it was a little bit more lower to the left. But I got one almost dead center.
Well, that's still center of the target. You can't complain with that.
Yeah, but I'm just such a perfectionist. I want my nice little grouping right there, but...
That's why
like
I'm saying my last target, I'll just go straight.
Yeah, I haven't shot this one for quite some time, so this is pretty rusty for me.
Not marksman stuff, just defensive shooting. Out here with the Desert Eagle, and we actually slaughtered a unicorn in the parking lot and made a set of grips out of his skull.
Hey, don't put on those grips. I like those grips.
I do too.
Yeah.
You in the left orange one.
That was it. Do I get stuck?
He's got the first jam.
Yeah. Well. It's always hard to beat a 1911. I know there's been quite a few people that have been curious about this. All I can say is you're on the same price point as the SR 1911. You get a lot of gun for that money. Sights, extended beaver tail, trigger, hammer, skeletonized. It comes with a set of G10, front serrations or checkering, an actual steel mainspring housing, Kimber. 12th or PPQ Navy edition. The other side.
I don't know. Something different.
I really need to practice some more though with my
My impersonation of Salty Showback. And this is why I trust this to my life.
I'm gonna go post them on the hills.
Yeah, that is racist. The question is, he's got a gun, so.
Oh, he's going down.
Yeah, he's definitely going down. 10 feet. Yeah.
Fucking zombie shooting over here. I'm trying to put one in there. Got 2 more. I was trying to hit that small target. Going low every time.
I have
Small target. And you just found your last 2 rounds. Suppressors. You want to have some fun? Rent some full autos. Make it rain.
Gordon?
Yes. My first time here. It's not going to be my last time.
Want to see where the real magic happens?
Sure. The real magic.
Do you have a battery? Are you going to do this?
Not many people get to see this.
This is a nice size classroom.
Yeah.
Gunsmithing shop. It's a work in progress, but we work on everything here, from the smallest Jennings pistols to the largest 50 cals. Yeah.
So you pretty much, if I need a set of dovetail sights or something, like you do like slide work too?
Yep.
Nice.
And, we do cleaning, slide work, machining, threading. We make holsters back here. We make all of our ARs that you guys see out on the shelves up there. They're made right back here.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yep.
Nice.
Everything's accurized. I do 1911 work back here, the whole 9. So, yeah. This is, like I said, it's work in progress. We're looking at getting Cerakote, hydrographs, laser engravers, everything else back here once we push the stuff out. So.
Yeah, we
actual gunsmith. This is all made in-house.
Sorry. Sorry about the umbilical.
Would you like me to just go ahead and
Hey.
film while you're doing that? Wow.
Do you are you guys doing any engraving on
No,
personalizing them?
Those are machined in Gilbert
Nice.
from a machine shop there, and so everything is pretty much Minnesota made though, except for the brace on it is SB Tactical. So technically that's a pistol. It takes 9mm Glock 17 mags. But
Yeah,
if you guys look on the wall out there, I have quite a few ARs that we're a manufacturer here at Class 7. So
Nice.
as long as nobody's walking off with it. My bag over by the door, I built it's based on a DRG manufacturing, billet lower, and Odin Works upper with the Odin Works stuff in it, and I called it Project Alicia. And
try the trigger on that. Let's make sure it's clear. Take it off. So.
oh, that would also help. Is that
That's all custom work. Yep. And so every single one of them that I make here gets a trigger like that and an accuracy job to the upper receiver. And the local and state police departments like them so much that they're starting to run them now. So.
awesome?
Yeah. So we do a lot of good stuff. See how it's difficult this?
Yeah. I think it comes with another 50 hours. There's probably some stuff on there.
Where do you recommend going? I always tell people, go to Gander Mountain or Fisherman's Cove.
This is deer guns, and this is what you will see when you first walk into their facility. And on the other side is their shooting range.
Here we just try to rush.
Here's some of their swag.
The latest one that came out, that's the adjustable race.
Yeah, that's all the ones that we run.
Yeah, this one. And I do sponsorship with companies that'll talk to me. This came out. I did not. It's so disappointing. I used to put on a video on it.
And they also have full autos to rent here as well. So you too can make it rain. As soon as they go into production right after shot drill, and as soon as they have them on plan, they will to send me one. So there you go. There is a tour